Welcome. Start your UV gang sheets journey on Alpha DTF Print. First, navigate to the UV Transfers section in the main menu. Find and select UV gang sheets. In the UV gang sheet section, choose the desired size for your sheets. Our sheets are set at a constant width of 16 inches. You can customize the height to suit your needs. Start by dragging and dropping your pre-prepared sticker designs into the upload area. Ensure each design is saved at 300 dpi for optimal print quality. After uploading your designs, click Add to Cart. The system will calculate your total automatically. Review your cart and adjust the quantity of gang sheets if needed. Proceed to checkout. Apply any discount codes you have at this stage. Choose between picking up your order in-store or having it shipped to your address. Complete your order by entering your shipping and billing information. Select your preferred payment method. Thank you for choosing Alpha DTF Print. We're excited to deliver high-quality UV gang sheet to you.